Hello everybody. We are going to work on SketchUp for a couple of days. This is your last assignment of the year and we're going to make some objects. You are going to work either on your own or with one other person to make the objects on this SketchUp check off sheet. There's this thing called a sketch plane cube. There's a keychain with your name on it. You get to design your own house. You get to make your own fidget spinner. And then if you need a little extra credit, there's some choices for extra credit. Okay, so once you get this sheet, let's start off with SketchUp. It's SketchUp 2015. Find that on your desktop. Many of you will still get this little pop-up window. In order to make it work, go down to the template arrow, click on that, and make sure that you did select feet and inches, and it'll make it a lot easier. So once you have that, let's start using SketchUp. Stan Lee's out in the middle of the field here, gazing in wonder out into nothingness. To get rid of him, I can click on that and then go to my keyboard and find the delete key. So Stan Lee has been deleted. Okay. To remember how to get around, I use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. I can press down on the mouse wheel to tilt it side to side. Okay. So if I want to make a cube, I'm going to worry about the tools up in this section of my toolbar. There's a pencil, squiggly lines, some rectangles, circles. These are all my drawing tools. So to draw a rectangle, I'm going to click on the rectangle tool, move my mouse over, and then I have to click and let go of my mouse right away. So I click and let go, and now when I move my mouse, it leaves me with a rectangle shape. If I really want a square that's 2 inches by 2 inches, I have to go to my keyboard, type in 2, 2, and then enter. It really is that tiny. So I use my mouse wheel, I scroll and zoom in until it kind of fills up my screen. Okay. These tools in the middle of my toolbar tell me to push, pull, or move or rotate objects. Push, pull is the one we use most often, and this is to make things three-dimensional. So I want it 2 inches tall, so I keep push pulling till the distance in that lower right-hand corner says 2 inches. There. So I let go because I noticed this says 2 inches. Perfect. If I have to draw on a side, I can now turn the screen to whatever I want to draw on, and I can use some of these other tools to draw shapes. I can draw a circle and try to center that. I can draw a square. I can draw whatever I want. If you want to find the exact center, there's a couple of ways to do this. One, I could draw lines from corner to corner, and of course where they meet would be the center of this side. So if I want to draw a circle in the center, I can click there, and then I go and erase the lines with the eraser. So this is one way to center a circle perfectly, right? But there's another way that works sometimes but not all the time. If I click on the circle and then start moving my cursor down the side, there should be a point that says midpoint. I'm going to stop there and then go towards the middle of my screen. Then I'm going to go to the top. And if I find that midpoint, now they should meet up when I move my cursor back to the center. So again, I went to the left side, said midpoint. I went to the top edge, I found the midpoint. Then I moved towards the center and said, hey, there it is. There's another circle. Okay. So start with that. We have 3 days to do some SketchUp items and have fun with it. Good luck, everybody.